Alright, so we're looking at week 3 for the ducks, week 4 for the chickens. Everybody's doing pretty good. Remember last week I told you how much the ducks were stinking and I wanted to move them outside? Well, I built a little outfit. We'll go buy the chickens and we'll have a look at the ducks. Hey guys! Oh, they're looking tasty. Nice how they follow you all around. They're pretty smart. These ducks are here. So here we go. There's the duck house. Added a new pen onto the side. Kind of put a humagum door together. Let's go in and have a look at these ducks. They're not very bright. They haven't figured out how to get in and out of the water, in and out of their house. But they are getting big. So we got a nice ramp. Ramps in and out of the splash center. This is their home. So they need new water. It's empty. And their food's empty too. I have no idea how much we're feeding them, because they just eat whatever. But the chickens, let me show you this, so you're gonna like this. Come on inside to get some food. So I had to make some changes a little bit in here. I come in a couple times, and inside the feeder there's been a chicken stuck in there. So I got these little cake plates to keep them from jumping in. Have a look at how much we give them. That's 2 liters. And then that one. Look at them fighting each other. One in that one. And they're nuts. Anyway, haven't lost any, except for that one again, still number 1 in 1 week. And then and nobody else since. So everything looks good. Everybody's happy. Happy. Let's keep those on there. Keep them from getting inside. See you next week.